Doorknob here, and today we're at Islands of Adventure, and we're trying something new. We have asked artificial intelligence, yes, a computer, to plan our day at the parks. I don't know if a computer really knows the best way to plan our day. Let's go find out. Yeah?
You okay?
No.
Why?
AI said to get in line 30 minutes before the park opens, and today the park opens at 8, so we're waiting until 7:30, and I am watching all of these people rush by us. But it might not matter because I can't even believe what AI wants us to do first. I might as well be standing on the bridge. This line is so far back. Strike one for AI. Strike one.
We are finally through the turnstiles. Knock one for AI, especially during the busy season. You gotta get in line well before that 30-minute mark if you really wanna maximize your EPA. It took us almost 30 minutes to get through the gates. But now we're headed back, get back on schedule with what AI has us doing. One would think that AI would have us go straight to Hagrid's. Not true. Not true.
First and foremost, I won the bet. It is a 90-minute wait for Hagrid's right now. The line is all the way back to Sinbad's Theater. It's a long wait, and it's only gonna keep growing. However, chalk one up for AI because as you walk around Hogsmeade, it is empty right now because everyone's over in line for Hagrid. So we get to go and enjoy looking at all the wand spots, doing some magic, and we have 15 minutes until the next thing on our AI list. I am officially in the wizarding world. I'm such a happy camper right now.
We have enjoyed an empty Hogsmeade, and we are off to the next thing that AI has us doing. A bit strange to us, but that is Flight of the Hippogriff.
It's a pretty cute roller coaster. Come on, come on.
Come on!
It's a 25-minute wait. I can't say that we've ever tried to ride this ride and waited. It's always been a walk-on for us. It's not that bad, the line's moving, but clearly these crowds, AI doesn't quite know how to navigate that, I don't think. But we'll find out more. We've got a lot more to do today.
Beware!
What a cute ride. And AI is having impeccable timing so far today. Now, we had a rough start, but so far this is going well. Our next to do is in 8 minutes, but I think we'll go and put our items away so that we can go on a forbidden journey.
Pose.
And pose.
And pose.
And
pose.
I love this ride. This is the most themed Harry Potter ride in the Wizarding World, I think. You can fight me on that in the comments if you want. Did you cover your eyes?
Absolutely. Always. Always.
Yeah, the spider gets me every time. I can't stand it. But Forbidden Journey is a fantastic ride. Big fan. Love it. Now, I don't know what's next on our list. We need to go grab our things, but I think we have a little bit of time. I wonder what artificial intelligence wants us to do next. Oh, Hogsmeade has filled up now that the park is open to everybody. It is 9:12. The next thing on our list is at 9:30, but we're gonna head over and start walking through the Jurassic Park area. I'm getting hungry. We'll see how grumpy I get, because AI doesn't know that people need to eat. Can I buy something when we go to Jurassic Park for a snack?
Coaster was not what we have to do in Jurassic Park, though, according to AI. I don't know if I want to do this next one, though.
I didn't wear good shoes for this.
I'm gonna be squishy.
Oh, you'd think a computer wouldn't want you to get wet.
Wrong.
So AI did not tell us to pack our ponchos or something to keep us from getting soaked. And we've got a lot of gear. So the next thing on our list is Jurassic Park River Adventure, which we have not ridden in quite a while. It's time to go lock our stuff up, Ben. I should have brought an extra change of socks. Oh, cross your fingers we don't get too soaked.
I don't wanna get wet. It's too early. It's 9:32 and we're already riding a water ride.
Now, AI has done a really good job at keeping us
Our schedule.
away from the crowds.
Our schedule's been pretty good, honestly.
Like, I'm pleasantly surprised, aside from the fact that I don't want to have wet socks.
I'm also surprised that it didn't have us ride Hagrid's River last week.
But again, we're staying away from crowds.
True.
Have we waited long in line?
Not at all.
The longest was Flight of the Hippogriff so far.
Yeah, 25 minutes.
We'll see if it'll stay this way. My sunglasses got the worst of it. On to the next thing that AI tells us to do. We have a little bit more time here in Jurassic Park, and then we get to head all the way over to Marvel Superhero Island. It wants us to skip Toon Lagoon. I wonder why.
Bob's favorite land is definitely the Wizarding World. Mine might be Jurassic Park. There are
It's
just
pretty cute.
so many details. There's fossils on the ground, there's bones everywhere. Dinosaurs, and I love dinos.
We do have a video about that.
Dinos.
We spent a whole day in Jurassic Park just explaining everything and looking at all the details. You should check that video out after this. Hey Ben, who are you gonna meet?
Olive oil, and Popeye, and Betty Boop.
Popeye loves you.
Spinach.
How do you like it?
Wow, you have a furry thing. Did you have the big camera before?
Oh, yeah.
What are you, a photographer? Oh my gosh, are you a famous photographer? Oh my God.
Oh, and pose, and pose. I don't like the looks of this.
Why?
One of the things we're supposed to do in Marvel Superhero Island is to ride The Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man. They're in the extended queue right now. It's not way back in the extended queue, but I can see them from here. And we're not even in Marvel Superhero Island fully. I'm scared to see what the wait time's gonna be. So the wait right now for Spider-Man is 45 minutes. The crowds have officially caught up to us. We don't have 45 minutes to be able to do this ride, as well as get to our lunch reservations that AI told us to make. So we'll go see if we can jump on Dr. Doom. Hopefully that's not a long wait. And then we'll head over to have some lunch. It says it's a 45-minute wait for Dr. Doom right now. I've never seen the wait time that high while we've been in the parks, but it's 10:15.
45 minutes for good.
That's crazy. We're gonna go and meet some characters and see if this wait time drops, and maybe AI is, maybe it's lost its touch at this point.
Who says we're bad?
The comics.
No.
The comics say
propaganda.
The what? Yes, that is propaganda. Exactly, Andrew. I
Spider-Man,
completely agree.
superheroes.
Oh, so I assume they're good people.
Maybe.
What's your name, dear? Who is? It's handsome face. Come on.
You think this is creepy?
Here, dear. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. Take one. Take a power shot. Here we go.
It's the laugh.
Aubrey is
I'm not good with character meet and greets.
Aubrey is not a villain and very awkward during character meet and greets.
Only with the villains. It's the good guys that are easy to talk to.
Off to Doom. Doom is 25 minutes. All hail.
All hail.
I like Doom. We didn't get the great views of the park, but it's still a rush every single time.
All hail.
All hail. The next thing we have is lunch. We've got to make our way basically across islands to lunch.
We're going a long way though.
AI came through with this one.
Current thoughts. AI is doing okay at planning our day. I'm excited for lunch. It's gonna be good. And I don't really feel like AI knows how to deal with crowds though. Like how the seasons change and right now it's spring break season. Like, it's busier. We'll have to see how it keeps up through the rest of this. We have made our way to Lost Continent from Marvel Superhero Island, and I have worked up an appetite. Thankfully, AI told us to book reservations at Mythos. Had they not, is it they for AI? Had AI not told us to book reservations, I don't think we will ever get into this place. So thankfully, we paid attention. We asked artificial intelligence what to do. They said, book reservations for a lunch at 11. So here we are. We're gonna wait about 5 more minutes until the doors open up, head on in, and enjoy one of the best meals for a theme park restaurant. We are here at Mythos to have lunch. We are starting with a spanakopita dip. It is a must. Very hard to pass up the calamari, but the pitas are just so good with that dip. And now the hardest part is deciding what to have for lunch, because there's the fork and knife grilled cheese. There's a salad that I absolutely love. There's just a lot of really tough choices, and I get to guarantee you I already know what Ben's gonna get. He gets it every time, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna get. So I need to look at the menu, because I have some tough choices to make. Well, that was a treat that AI could not have predicted, but I don't even know if we got this on camera because we were just so excited, but we just got to meet not only the chef of Mythos, but he gave us a special treat. I'll have Ben put a picture of the dessert that we got to try. It's not even on the menu. They're bringing back the blueberry graham cracker bread pudding for the new seasonal dessert, and we got to have it today. So good, so good. Thank you, Chef Justin. You are awesome. We can't wait to come back to Mythos in June. Now, on a different note, AI might have failed us a little bit, because this next thing that we're supposed to do, I just don't think it's gonna be possible.
And the reason it's not possible is it's no longer here. AI has said to see the Sinbad stunt show, and that's been closed for a little while now. So we're gonna have to modify the schedule slightly. We might be able to just pump stuff up and head from the Lost Continent right to Seuss Landing.
We've got Cat in the Hat here. It looks like it is not too long of a wait. AI says we have to go ride it, so let's go hop on pop. I've gotten a good feel of my colorful surroundings and a lot of different rhyming, all the timing. I don't know, I'm trying to be like Dr. Seuss with my rhyming, it's just not working. We have one final thing that AI has told us to do to enjoy our day before we have to wrap this up. I am a little concerned about what the wait time will be, but the last thing on the AI schedule is to ride the Hulk. It's having us not do Hagrid's. It's having us not ride Velocicoaster. I'm not making this up, guys. The only thing left is to ride the Hulk. I can't believe it missed out on Storm Force. So, We've got all the time in the world. Let's go wait for Hulk and see what that wait time looks like. Minutes, Ben. Stormforce is only 5, but I guess we'll get ready to lock our stuff up and wait because we don't have Express. So it's gonna take a little while.
So,
Whew, what a day.
I'm still full of food. Hulk definitely jumbled me up a little bit. But
I don't recommend riding
yeah,
Hulk.
don't ride that after
I mean,
lunch.
technically, we were supposed to watch a whole Sinbad stunt show
I guess that's true.
to help digest. So,
Final thoughts. Can AI plan your day at Islands of Adventure?
it does all right.
Did okay.
Like, out of 10, I'm gonna give it like a 6.5, 7. I think.
I was going to
for
give it a
planning our
6
day.
because it still missed Velocicoaster.
Well, yeah, okay.
It still missed Hagrid's.
6 it is.
And then it still had Sinbad in the schedule.
Also, not gonna point because it didn't put us on Stormforce.
But it did give us Mythos. So,
It didn't give us a snack partway through the day. There's a lot of back and forth. So yeah, I think a 6.
6 is solid.
But personally, I have a better recommendation for planning your vacation.
What's that?
People should schedule a vacation with us.
So-
Not necessarily with us, but let us help you schedule your vacation.
So if you're curious about getting some advice about your next Universal Orlando vacation, check out our website. The link will be in the description box.
We love helping people plan their Universal Orlando vacations, whether it is spending time with people in the park to make sure that they have the best time possible, or just doing a one-on-one call to help you figure out what is the best fit for you when you come to Universal.
If you got anything out of this video, please check out the website link in the description. Stick around for more Universal content. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.